The Air 3 and the Mini 4 Pro were released months apart in 2023. They share many similarities and a few differences. Which one is right for you? Drones have been accessible to the general public for about a decade and continue to grow in popularity. They've become a valuable tool for videographers and photographers alike, providing unique vantage points that otherwise would have required renting a helicopter. DJI's Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro are ushering in a new era of safer, more reliable flying. Both models offer 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle detection, superior connectivity between the remote and drone with DJI's OcuSync 4.04 transmission technology, and a variety of automated features that make capturing polished and professional-looking imagery feasible, all at a relatively affordable price. The Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro have updated gimbal clamps that protect the wide-angle fisheye cameras on the front of their bodies. By the numbers, DJI Air 3 versus Mini 4 Pro. The Air 3 is larger, heavier, and costs more than the sub-250G Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro is the first DJI drone to offer active track 360 degrees, which allows you to follow a subject from any angle in any direction, including the front. DJI made the front legs of the Mini 4 Pro longer. This makes launching and landing much easier than the Mini 3 Pro. The Air 3 has brand new, larger capacity batteries that snap into the back of the drone, providing up to 46 minutes of flight time. The Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro are compatible with the RC-N2 and RC2 remote controllers, both with DJI's O4 technology offering a 20-kilometer, 12.4-mile range. The Air 3 is the first in its series to offer a dual camera system and support native vertical 9:16 shooting. The bottom main camera has a 24mm equivalent fixed f1.7 wide-angle lens and 82 degrees FOV. Both the Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro offer quick shots, master shots, and focus track, which allows you to track a subject using point of interest, active track, or spotlight.